Àbákẹ́, àbákẹ́. The word ba here is a word used to describe when you do something with another person or when you do something for another person. And ke means to pet, to pamper, to treat something tenderly with care and love. What then is the meaning of Àbákẹ́? The full meaning of Àbákẹ́ is actually ọmọ tí ẹbí rẹ̀ ń bá òbí rẹ̀ kẹ́. A child who is jointly pampered by both her parents and her relatives. What this means is that this child is too special, too unique to be cared for just by the parents alone. Therefore, both relatives and even friends join hands to pamper the child. Àbákẹ́, the child jointly nurtured, jointly cherished by all. A child collectively pampered by both friends and family. Ọmọ tá ń bá kẹ́, Àbákẹ́, wàá ṣeré.